kids, let's read with Little Learning Lou. My father. It's your turn to read now. My father takes care of our home. It's your turn now. My father goes to work every day. Let's see if you can read. My father helps me tie my shoelaces. It's your turn now. He helps me with my homework. Let's see if you can read. I spend time with him every day. It's your turn now. He reads stories to me. It's your turn now. We play games together. Let's see if you can read. We go for walks in the park. It's your turn now. My father teaches me good habits. It's your turn now. He teaches me to be honest and kind. It's your turn to read. He tells me to always try my best. It's your turn to read. My father is the best. It's your turn now.
Good job, kids! I hope you enjoyed the reading lesson. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to the channel Little Learning Lou. Thank you for watching.